proportionate.
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today launched the Dare to Dream Academy, a football development centre by Dream Foundation in collaboration with Assam Rifles Public School, BBFS Residential Academy, Indian Football Foundation and Baichung Bhutia Football School at Sai Nehu. Terming the youth energy as constructive force, the Chief Minister observed that the energy in the youth needs to be channelized in the right direction. The centre at present has 50 young boys from across the northeast. Dream Foundation conceptualized and created a 3-year football development program in association with its implementation partner Baichung Bhutia Football School with the aim of identifying and nurturing footballers from the northeastern states. Beneficiaries are provided with academic tutoring, superior training, competition exposure, equipment and apparel, career guidance and more. An exhibition football match featuring young budding footballers was also held.
I would like to thank the Dream Foundation and would like to thank Mr. Baichung Bhutia for having taken this initiative and more importantly for having selected Shillong and the state of Meghalaya to start and to put up the first academy, a residential academy in the entire eastern region.
6 of the players from Meghalaya who are under our scholarship programs went on for India under 17 camp, and 2 of the players have gone on to play for India, and they are all from Meghalaya. So I think we can see the talent coming out from the region.